Welcome to our guide on the 10 best places to visit in Osaka, Japan. From historic landmarks like Osaka Castle to modern marvels like Abeno Harukas, Osaka is a city full of vibrant culture, delicious food, and unforgettable experiences. In this video, we'll take you through each of these must-see spots, giving you insider tips along the way. Whether you're planning your first visit or returning for more, there's always something new to explore. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips, and let us know which Osaka spot you can't wait to visit. Now, let's dive into Osaka's wonders. One, Dotonbori is a lively district in Osaka, famous for its neon lights, street food, and entertainment. Located along the Dotonbori Canal, it's known for iconic landmarks like the Glico Running Man sign and the giant moving crab of Kani-duraku. The area is a paradise for food lovers, offering takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and ramen. At night, the vibrant atmosphere is amplified by glowing billboards and bustling crowds. Historically a theater district, Dotonbori now thrives as a hub of modern nightlife, shopping, and sightseeing, making it a must-visit spot for anyone exploring Osaka. 2. Universal Studios Japan (USJ) is a major theme park in Osaka, offering thrilling rides, shows, and attractions based on popular movies and franchises. Opened in 2001, it's home to the wizarding world of Harry Potter, Super Nintendo World, and rides themed around Jurassic Park, Minions, and Spider-Man. The park features a mix of roller coasters, immersive 4D experiences, and live performances. Seasonal events, including Halloween Horror Nights and Christmas celebrations, add to the excitement. USJ attracts millions of visitors annually, making it a top destination for theme park lovers in Japan. Three, Osaka Castle is a historic landmark, known for its striking architecture and cultural significance. Originally built in 1583 by Toyotomi Hideyoshi, it played a key role in Japan's unification. The castle has been rebuilt multiple times, with the current structure dating from 1931. Surrounded by beautiful gardens, moats, and stone walls, it offers panoramic city views from its observation deck. Inside, a museum showcases samurai artifacts and the castle's history. During cherry blossom season, Osaka Castle Park becomes a popular hanami, flower viewing, spot, attracting visitors from around the world. Four, Shinsaibashi-suji Shopping Street is a bustling, covered arcade, stretching about 600 meters. A top shopping destination, it features international brands, Japanese boutiques, cosmetics, souvenirs, and cafes. The semi-indoor design provides shelter from the weather, making it a convenient spot year-round. Located near Dotonbori, it attracts millions of visitors who enjoy its mix of luxury and budget-friendly stores. With a lively atmosphere, neon signs, and endless shopping options, Shinsaibashi-suji is a must-visit for fashion lovers and tourists exploring Osaka. Five, Namba is a bustling district, serving as a major transportation, shopping, and entertainment hub. It is home to Namba Station, which connects multiple train and subway lines, making it a key gateway for travelers. The area is filled with vibrant attractions like Dotonbori, Shinsaibashi, and Namba parks, offering a mix of shopping, dining, and nightlife. Known for its neon-lit streets, lively atmosphere, and delicious street food, Namba is the heart of Osaka's Minami district. Whether exploring markets, enjoying comedy shows, or cruising the Dotonbori Canal, Namba is a must-visit spot. 6. Shinsekai is a nostalgic, retro district known for its vibrant atmosphere and unique charm. It was developed in the early 20th century, inspired by both Paris and New York, and features a mix of old-school entertainment and modern attractions. The area's most iconic landmark is the Tsutenkaku Tower, offering panoramic views of the city. Shinsekai is also famous for its deep-fried skewered meat and vegetables and traditional eateries. Despite its retro vibe, the district has recently seen revitalization efforts, drawing visitors with its mix of history, food, and quirky attractions. 7. Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan is one of the largest and most impressive aquariums in the world, located in the Tempezan Harbor Village. It features a variety of marine life from the Pacific Rim, showcasing more than 30,000 creatures from over 620 species. The aquarium's highlight is the massive Pacific Ocean tank, home to whale sharks, manta rays, and other giant sea creatures. Visitors can walk through a series of themed exhibits that represent different environments, such as the Great Barrier Reef, the Antarctic, and the Amazon rainforest. It's an educational and visually stunning experience for all ages. Eight. Kuromon Ichiba Market is a vibrant, bustling market known for its fresh produce, seafood, and local delicacies. Spanning over 580 meters, it's a popular spot for both locals and tourists looking to experience Osaka's culinary scene. The market is filled with vendors offering everything from sashimi, takoyaki, and kushikatsu to fresh fruits, vegetables, and unique Japanese snacks. Known as Osaka's Kitchen, Kuromon Ichiba is a great place to sample traditional street food, interact with friendly shopkeepers, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of one of Osaka's oldest and most famous markets. 9. Abeno Harukas is the tallest skyscraper in Japan, located in the Abeno district of Osaka. Standing at 300 meters, 984 feet, it boasts 60 floors of mixed-use space, including offices, a hotel, a department store, and an observation deck. The Harukas 300 observation deck offers stunning panoramic views of Osaka and beyond, with sites like Osaka Castle and Umeda Sky Building visible on clear days. The building also houses Kintetsu Department Store, Japan's largest, making it a shopping and sightseeing hub. Abeno Harukas is a modern landmark and a must-visit for those seeking breathtaking city views. 10. Nakanoshima Park is a scenic park located on an island in the center of Osaka, nestled between the Dojima and Tokyo rivers. It's a peaceful urban oasis offering walking paths, beautiful gardens, and views of the city's skyline. The park is home to the Osaka City Central Public Hall, a historical building with neo-Renaissance architecture, and the National Museum of Art, Osaka. Nakanoshima Park is also known for its seasonal flowers, including cherry blossoms in spring and roses in autumn, making it a popular spot for picnics, relaxation, and cultural exploration.